Let's animate color changes using CSS variables for smooth transitions. First, we create the HTML file with a card component. Start with the basic HTML5 structure. Set a title and link to our external CSS file. Add a card div with a title, some text, and a button inside. The paragraph explains the effect to the viewer. Add a call to action button for interactivity. Now, create the CSS file. This is where the magic happens. First, to define our color variables in the root scope. Define the initial light theme colors. Define a second set of colors for the hover state. Notice we swapped the primary and secondary accent colors. Style the body. Use flex to center the card. Set the background using a variable. Add a transition so the background color changes smoothly. Now, style the main card container. Use variables for the card's background, border, and text color. Apply transitions to all the properties that will animate. Style the card title. Use the primary color variable. This element also needs a transition for its color property. Style the card text paragraph. Style the button. Use the secondary color variable. Button background uses the secondary variable. Text is white. Animate the button's background color. The car effect RT to change variable values on hover. When hovering, override the variables inside the card. Also change the page background when the card is hovered. This uses a general sibling combinator for demonstration. Let's view the project structure in the terminal. Opening the page now. Hover over the card to see the smooth animation. Watch as all the colors transition together when you hover. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the link in the pinned comment.